Welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I'll share a new game that is called Farm Friend Bots. We have already played lots of tap game and some games already scammed with us like Hamster, Pixel, Verse, like that. But today I'll show this farm bot from Farm Friends bot, and you have already seen that it is play to airdrop. This is very easy to play. When you will come here, it will guide you what to do, and every step you can click like this. You can click and upgrade, like I am upgrading now, and next upgrade I need 250 coins, so right now I don't have. And what you can do, you can add land. If I click add land, look, land is upgrading, and next is 150. So basically you don't have to do anything new. You just come here and crop your foods and then go to shop and sell. And remember, you don't have to pay anything. Don't pay anything. Wherever you are seeing, click on shop. If you see that you need to buy this 49 stars, 99 stars, avoid all those things. We will not spend any minimum paisa even on this game. On many coming games, we are not going to pay anything because they have scammed with us. So we are going to play for free, and whatever airdrop we will get, we will try to see. And you can see that level is increasing and points are increasing automatically. There is one thing is that quests. You can come here and do these daily quests. Look, daily quests, daily login, claim. Now open 20 chests, sell 30 crops, claim. I have just sold that, and you can see that daily chest will be available, random chest will be available, and you can get those things. Right now I don't have any new chest. Let me check. Okay, if I can pay 400 coins, I will get another chest. Okay, I'm paying that, and one chest I got. And if you click on new, and if I upgrade Arogi to level 10, then let's see, Arogi to level 10, and you can see I have 3 cats. Those are working for me. Cats are friends, those are farm friends bot, and my level is already in 10. So it's very easy game, and start playing right now. And there is one catch, that's idle reward. Right now they are giving for 3 hours idle reward, 330 minutes, 3 hours 30 minutes. So you can earn for free while you are idle, but you can increase this into 3 times. But I am not going to suggest you that you must play this with your you must pay these with stars to increase your bot. You may come every 3 hours, you may come later parts even, but I guess it will give you some idea how you can play. So I have upgraded my land, and in next time when I'll get some other I'll get some points, more points, I will increase my land even. Look, land I have upgraded. Look, I have got another land. So you have to upgrade your lands. You have to buy places. You have to fill all the places with lands, and in time and again you have to buy new friends. So new friend in level 10, I will get another friend. So I am trying to upgrade it in coming hours or coming minutes while I'll play, and I'll get another friends, so that those 4 friends will help me to work in this field. And of course I will sell price at level 4. I'll start increasing those. Yes, I am now in level 4, so my the sale price is increased, and I'll get more money after selling this. This is very, very simple. I would request you, do join this game. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.